Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Guys, good afternoon. Let me present you the new chapter of It is True That the Queen Mother and the Queen Are True, chapter 20. So here it is. Let's read the story. Yi Changning. Well, it seems that the visitor really knows the Queen Mother and the Queen. Well, the two of them are looking at each other. The Queen seems to be. She was hesitating. Or maybe she looks really scared on this girl. Well, for now, let me see and the Princess Ling Yu together so we won't be misunderstood. What are we conspiring with? Right now, the little queen seems to be agitated. What's the sister came here? The banquet is over. Right now, the little queen asking the queen mother. Although the queen mother right now, the banquet is for the new emperor as long as the emperor is there. Well, the queen mother seems to be serious. Well, did she really notice it? The little queen looks agitated. Also, for the little emperor. I'm suffering, you. You obviously have two mothers. Minister is questioning the emperor. Right now, they're offering them a lot of drinks. Well, the little emperor seems to be scared. For now, two queen mothers only watching on the other side. It's been a long enough time for you two to take a break. So, why don't you go back quickly? Well, right now, she's been saying true. The little queen seems she was still hesitating. My sister's about to go back. Happened to meet Princess Ling Yu. So I talked to her with a few words. Right now, the queen mother suddenly grabbed her hands. Well, probably want to question her. The little queen hesitating to tell the queen mother what's happening right now. The queen mother only said to her, "Let's go back right now." Well, the little queen, the emperor is waiting for you. Well, the queen mother is right. You really need to check the emperor. Someone questioning, giving the emperor too much drinks. But right now, little queen said, "Let's go back." Now she's been too much ahead. Are you so angry? Queen mother is thinking about her. Well, since it was getting late, it's really good if they really come back to the chamber. Right now, the queen mother, she seems to be comfortable for herself. Western. Oh, why suddenly? She looks really uncomfortable. Also, the little queen, she really get angry at her. Without the permission of the Aisha, also dare to contact Changshu with the identity of Kai Wei privately. Now, the queen mother is asking the girl. This girl, she was really caught on act. The queen mother's notice. Well, what could it be? What alibi can she presented about herself? What? The minister is not Kai Wei. Girl said to the queen mother. Looking at it, she looks really confident. On the other hand, this girl, she looks really gorgeous. Didn't you let your minister pretend to be a palace maid, Kai Wei, and go to the Shangyao temple to monitor the noble concubine? Well, right now, queen mother, she looks really serious. On the other hand, why suddenly this girl go to the palace, approaching the little queen? For now, the queen mother, this girl also disguised herself as Kai Wei. But what do you beg the Yi family to go to? Well, the queen mother is really tricky. Also, she was really smart. It was you begged to be a chess piece of Aija. The Aija held you in your hand. You want to cross the Yi family, contact her, use her, hurt her. Now, the queen mother has been scolding this girl. For now, Aija can make you vanish at any time. Well, this is not good. Girl, they should really act fast. Really are the Empress Towa girl. This girl seems to be calm and collected, even though the Queen Mother said so many things to her. This is the information that Chen got. Please take a look. at the mother-in-law. Girl is holding a scroll paper. Right now, she wants the Queen Mother to read it. Western Phoenix, original, dedicated to you. Western regions. Now, it's on the head. Well, what does it mean? The two of them seems to be in shock. This girl, it turns out, is the hand of the Queen Mother. She is outside in the palace, doing Queen's mother errand. Well, for now, little Queen went to the Emperor. Now she is approaching him. Ouch, you're still dead. Everyone right now talking about. But the Queen Mother and this girl Kai Wei want to bring disaster to Dongying. The Empress Dowager blocked the knife for you. Well, it seems that this girl is also smart, like a Queen Mother. Now they're planning something. But since she said so many things, Queen Mother got irritated and said to her, "Shut up." The little girl said, "Be put on the side." But suddenly, when the little queen went outside, already see a girl dancing on the floor. Well, she really danced gracefully. Looking at it, the little queen seems to be enchanted. Well, right now, sudden pause herself. She was only looking to the girl who's dancing right now. Well, this is really interesting to her. But right now, the Queen Mother suddenly fear on her side. Queen Mother said, "Glamorous." Well, for the little queen, of course, she cannot say anything. Cannot afford to upset the Queen Mother. "Sister, you be angry about what happened to Kai Wei just now." The Queen Mother seems to be worried about her. But right now, sister, let's toast. Little Queen, she really looks mischievous. What is she planning this time? Queen Mother said to her, "Okay." With a calm look, right now, it seems that the problem of the Queen Mother getting paid away because she was really fond on the little queen. Right now, the Queen Mother pulled her shoulder and she moved closer to her. She looks really serious. Grab her and kiss her, even though there's a lot of guests on the time. What? The Queen Mother and the Queen. This is, everyone is gossiping. So, this is her duty. Right now, looking at it, little Queen seems that she was having a heart attack. Well, it was really funny. She didn't absorb hotness. The Queen Mother. Right now, the Queen Mother is trying to call her sister. But the little queen seems to be fall asleep. Well, this is getting good. So, there's no harm to the little queen this time. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!